The Samsung Freestyle 2nd Gen Smart Portable Projector reimagines what a projector can do. Compact yet powerful, this device transforms any space into a cinema-quality experience. Whether it's a living room, dorm, or even outdoors, this projector offers flexibility and performance that stands out. It delivers full HD resolution with HDR support, producing vibrant colors, deep blacks, and clear whites. The projection size ranges from 30 inches up to 100 inches, allowing for a big screen experience in any environment. Setup is effortless. Place it on a table or flat surface, power it on, and the autofocus and auto-keystone features adjust the image perfectly. There's no need to spend time aligning or calibrating. It works instantly. Sound is another strong point. The Freestyle 2nd Gen features 360-degree speakers that produce immersive audio. Dialogue comes through clearly, mids and highs are well-balanced, and the bass is surprisingly solid for a compact projector. For those who want more, connecting to external speakers or a soundbar is simple, enhancing the cinematic feel even further. The built-in Samsung Gaming Hub takes this projector beyond movies. Cloud-based services like Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce now allow gaming without a console. Pair a controller, connect to Wi-Fi, and start playing instantly. The device handles fast-paced games with minimal lag, while HDR support adds depth and vibrancy to gameplay. Portability is a highlight. The lightweight design makes it easy to move from room to room or take outdoors. Its swivel design lets you project onto walls, ceilings, or other surfaces at different angles, and optional battery support means it can run without a power outlet for portable entertainment anywhere. Smart features are powered by Samsung's Tizen OS. You get access to popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and Prime Video. Voice control with Bixby or Alexa simplifies navigation, and wireless mirroring lets you display content from your phone or laptop effortlessly. Connectivity is versatile, including HDMI, USB-C, and Bluetooth options. The design is modern and premium. The cylindrical shape, matte finish, and futuristic aesthetic make it attractive for contemporary spaces. Despite its small size, the Freestyle 2nd Gen projects a large, vibrant image with impressive brightness for indoor and shaded outdoor conditions. It delivers a true cinematic experience without complicated setups or bulky equipment. Overall, this projector combines versatility, portability, and smart functionality. It caters to streaming, gaming, and movie watching with ease, turning any wall or ceiling into a massive theater screen. Whether for home entertainment, travel, or small gatherings, it provides an immersive, high-quality experience in a compact, elegant package. If you want to get the Samsung 30-inch 100 Freestyle 2nd Gen Smart Portable Projector, check out the link in the description.